Hey guys, we have jumped on in to Module 5, which a lot of it is an extension of Module 4. So the things that we worked on in Module 4 will be beneficial as we move on. So I just wanted to give a quick overview of the types of things that we're doing. This was the unit opener. The problem says Ella has 164 stickers in her sticker box. She wants to put them in her sticker book. 10 stickers fit in a row. 10 rows fit on a page. Help her organize her stickers. Basically what that is breaking down to is it wants you to give me that number in base 10. So if I have 164 stickers, I'm going to represent that by saying 100, 6 tens, and 4 ones. Okay, so it was just, the opening was just a quick refresher on how we are going to represent numbers in base 10. So the next page of this lesson starts to break those numbers apart. Chris collects marbles. He counts 321 marbles in his collection. Help Chris show the number 321 in different ways. So it wants to make sure that they have a good understanding of what this number actually means. That those are not a 3, a 2, and a 1. That those numbers have different values and stand for different things based on place value. So drawing the quick picture is just base 10. 3 hundreds, 2 tens, and a 1. Then as you move down, it says write the number as hundreds, tens, and ones. That's asking when I gave my representation, how many hundreds did I make? I made 3 hundreds. I made 2 tens, and I made 1 1. When I ask for expanded form, I'm asking for the value, I'm asking for the value of these numbers. Okay, so I'm going to add my hundreds first. I had 3 hundreds, that equals 300. I had 2 tens, which equals 20. And then I had 1 1 that equals 1. So expanded form breaks it apart and shows me the value of each place in that number. And the next page just had more practice like that. Owen had some blocks. He had more than 100, but fewer than 200. How many could he have? They could have put anything. I'm going to say 112. Show me that number. He had 100, 110, 2 ones, 100, 110, and 2 ones. And then expanded form is asking for the value of all of those places. So 100 plus 10 plus 2, he could have 112 blocks. And I would focus on this because I know that in small group a lot of students had trouble understanding that the number I'm looking for is between this number and this number. A lot of kids, when faced with 100 and 200, they wanted to say 215, not understanding that I'm looking for something in the middle. They just noticed that this started with a 2, so they went straight to the 200. So really just listening to that academic language and thinking about what the question's asking from you. Alright, this was the homework page from Module 5.1. We did this in class, so this one did not come home. But I did want to put it up just in case anybody wanted to see, this strategy and what it looks like. Nate sees toys at the toy store. He sees more than 200, but fewer than 300. How many toys could Nate see? I'm just going to put 254. Okay, write the number as hundreds, tens, and ones. I made 2 hundreds, 5 tens, 4 ones. And in expanded form, that turns into 200, plus 50 plus 4, 254. Okay, Eric sees 146 marbles. Write the number of marbles in expanded form. And everybody needs to really focus on the language because students are getting confused. Okay, are they looking for hundreds, tens, and ones? Should I put 1, 4, 6? And I've really tried to hit home that when I'm saying expanded form, I'm wanting the value of each number. So just reinforce that language at home also. When you see expanded form, I'm asking for the value of each digit. So this would be 100 plus 40 plus 6. If I'm asking you how many hundreds are there, that means how many in that place. 5 hundreds, 7 tens, and 9 ones.